This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, a destination that's as breathtaking as it is welcoming. Start your journey on the world-class beaches of Banderas Bay, where golden sands meet crystal-clear waters. Feel the ocean breeze, soak up the sun, and let the waves bring you endless relaxation. Dive into the culture of El Centro, the heart of the city, where vibrant street art, colorful cobblestone streets, and friendly locals give you an authentic taste of Mexico. Puerto Vallarta is also one of the most LGBTQ+ friendly destinations worldwide. The Zona Romantica offers a vibrant nightlife and inclusive experiences you simply have to try. Travel where you're celebrated. Breathtaking views, rich culture, and endless fun await. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to join the adventure.